When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Even if you are not a professional chocolatier, anyone can make these easy hot chocolate cocoa bombs. I've made 3 of them for you here today. One is original chocolate, which is a mixture of milk and semi-sweet dark chocolate. A minted candy cane one for the Christmas season. And a caramel chocolate hot cocoa bomb. These are perfect for hostess gifts or giving away to friends and family at Christmas, or even to sell online. Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I offer chocolate techniques and recipes so you can make them at home to give away as gifts or even to sell online in your own home-based business. So here are the supplies that you're going to need today for the hot chocolate bomb tutorial. You will need some large and small marshmallows, some chocolate to go in the middle of the cups, your cup itself, which you can purchase if you like, or if you do not want to purchase these, we're going to make these cups out of these small balloons today. You will need some milk chocolate, some caramel chocolate, and some white chocolate, some dark cocoa powder, and some decorations for the tops. I have candy cane for the minted hot chocolate bombs and biscotti balls from Mona Lisa, which I will leave the link in the description for you. And I also have some peppermint oil to mint the candy cane hot chocolate bombs. Of course, you don't need a bottle this big. You can just purchase a 1-ounce bottle at most cake decorating stores. And I have some candy color. This is an oil-based colorant for use in chocolate, as you cannot use anything that is water-based. I'm in the process of melting down the chocolate, and I just wanted to show you the quickest way to temper chocolate when you just have Callets and you haven't melted your chocolate before is to simply melt it about halfway. Stir in all the Callets that haven't melted, and when they completely melt into the chocolate, it will be in temper. So 90 degrees Fahrenheit is the general number, and 30 degrees Celsius. Now you can see here that some of these have not quite melted in, and I might have to put it back into the microwave for about 5 seconds just to do the remaining one. You have to be very careful not to melt it too much, as you will throw it back out of temper. So everything here is coming along nicely. They are going to melt right into the chocolate, and if not, I will put them in for another 5 seconds. We are going to just mint the white chocolate one with a few drops of peppermint. Remember, just a very small amount. And then a few drops of candy color until we get a nice color and consistency that we like. So the first thing you're going to do is get a piping bag, or I have just a squeeze bottle here, and you're going to just make some dots on your parchment paper that the balloons will sit on after we dip them. Wait just a few minutes until the chocolate just starts to harden up, otherwise it will not hold the balloon properly. Dip your balloons into some chocolate about the size of a cup and simply place on top of the dot. Having the dot there just makes it stay in place so it does not tip over as it's drying. We're going to do a few in some minted chocolate. do some in caramel. We're going to dip our chocolate cups into our flavored chocolates. So this is the candy cane one. A lot of hot chocolate bomb tutorials are the round with a mold, but last year at our shop, these were so popular that we were making 350 to 400 a day, and we just could not use the mold. So I had to come up with a different idea so I could make more of them faster. And what I would do is come in every day at 4 a.m. and make hot chocolate bombs till 8 a.m. And then the staff would package them up, and usually we would be sold out by around noon or sometimes 2 o'clock every single day. That's how popular they were last year. So we had to buy these cups, as we just could not keep up and make as many by using a mold. Now, if you're at home and you don't want to buy a chocolate cup like I did, this is why I came up with the balloon idea, because that is just as good of alternative for hot chocolate bombs. Okay, we're ready to dip our hot chocolate bombs again into chocolate for a second coat. You do not have to go quite as high this time if you can't get in there, if you don't have enough chocolate left. Just a little bit of reinforcement is fine. Minted hot chocolate and for the original hot chocolate bombs, I like to use a mixture of semi-sweet and milk chocolate. It just puts a nice richer taste into your hot chocolate. For the caramel hot chocolate bomb, of course, we want to make sure that we use caramel chocolate just to get that nice flavor coming through in your hot chocolate. We're ready to fill our hot chocolate bombs now, and we're just going to simply cut the balloons. And what we're left with is a nice chocolate cup. Into each cup you want to put your favorite chocolate. So I decided for the milk chocolate ones I was going to put this mixture of milk and dark chocolate. In the minted ones I put regular milk chocolate, and in the caramel ones I put caramel chocolate. After that, you will want to put your cocoa powder, about 1 teaspoon in every cup. We are now ready to coat our marshmallows and assemble the bombs. So you just temper some white chocolate again. You do not want to have too much chocolate on your marshmallows. Pile them up so that they're a little bit taller. I don't think you can have too much marshmallow in your hot chocolate. For the candy cane ones, I drizzled with some minted chocolate, and I am going to drizzle it a little bit with some milk chocolate just because I like the look of it. your candy cane and just drizzle the top. Caramel ones, which are at the back here, again, I'm just going to drizzle with caramel chocolate. And some biscotti balls. And then the chocolate ones. The chocolate cups now, and because these cups are so deep, I like to put a few marshmallows in the bottom first. I'll just put your teaspoon of cocoa in each one, and the tablespoon of semi-sweet chocolate. Caramel and the caramel ones. Next thing you want to do is just drizzle across the cup with some tempered chocolate. Because the cup is so deep, it's important that your marshmallows stick to the chocolate inside. So I just drizzle the top, and then I will put the marshmallow on it when it's still wet. I generally find that about 3 of the large ones is perfect. Now that we've made our hot chocolate bombs with marshmallows, I thought I would show you how to package them. I bought these cello sheets from a craft store. Just put your hot chocolate bomb in the middle and gather it up like so, and then we're going to put a bow around it. Another way I like to do it is in these gold cello bags. Again, you can purchase these at craft stores. And I also have purchased these at Creative Bag, which I'll leave the link in the description for you. A company I have found to be great for stickers is Online Labels. They have a system where you can create your labels. As long as you buy their products, their shipping is fast and efficient, and they have sizes and labels for every budget. It's nice to have a sticker. It looks a little bit more professional, and we simply usually put them either on the back or on the bottom of the hot cocoa bomb, like this. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this hot cocoa bomb tutorial, and I hope to see you again next week.